Hello everyone, welcome to Sectionus. Now we are here with the fourth part of trigonometry. In part 3, we have discussed about the multiple angles of trigonometric ratio. Now let's discuss some problems based on that. If sin theta is equals to 3 by 5, where theta lies from 0 to pi by 2, then find the value of tan theta by 2. Okay, I'll say formula for it. Tan theta is equals to under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, sorry, cos 2 theta. See, here we can solve it also. How we got this? Tan theta is equals to under root 1 minus cos theta, cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? In terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? If we take this 2 sin square theta to RHS and cos theta to LHS, we get 2 sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos theta. So in place of 1 minus cos theta, we can write 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Similarly, if we take cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you bring this minus 1 to RHS, we get cos 2 theta plus 1 is equals to 2 cos square theta. So in place of 1 plus cos 2 theta, we can write 2 cos square theta. 2 gets cancelled and squares get cancelled, square root gets cancelled, and we are left with tan theta is equals to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan, hence proved. Okay, the formula is tan theta is equals to under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here, see here, sin theta is equals to 3 by 5. Let's take a triangle ABC where this is theta. So sin theta is equals to 3 by 5. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 3 by opposite side is 3 and adjacent side value is 5. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get the value adjacent value as 4. So we get cos theta is equals to 4 by 5. Okay. See here the value is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to under root 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta. But we require tan theta by 2. For tan theta by 2, if the angle is double here, we get tan theta. But there is no 2 in the angle. So if we get tan theta, then the cos should be 2 theta. But here tan theta by 2 is present. So we take cos theta. Tan theta by 2 is equals to, use that formula under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Tan theta by 2 is equals to under root, value of cos theta is 4 by 5, 4 by 5 by 1 plus 4 by 5. 5 minus 4, 1 by 5 by 5 plus 4, 9 by 5. 5 gets cancelled and tan theta by 2 value is under root 1 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Let's discuss one more problem. Find the value of sin 15 degrees into cos 75, sorry, sin 75 into sin 90. Think for a while. Okay, I will solve it. Sin 15, sin 75, sin 90. Okay, this is the thing we have. See here, sin 75. You can write sin 75 as cos of 90 minus 75. I said the complementary angles in part 2. You can check these there. Sin 15 into 90 minus 75 is 15. We get cos 15 into sin 90. As sin 90 value is 1, I am writing here into 1. Sin 15 into cos 15. See here the angles are same. By seeing this kind of question, you have to get an idea that we have to use multiple angles. What is the formula of sin 2a? It is 2 sin a cos a. See, sin a cos a, the angles are same, but we are not having 2. So for 2, we have to multiply and divide 2. So now we got 2 sin a cos a, which is sin 2a, sin 2 into 15 by 2. Sin 2 into 15 is sin 30 by 2. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So the final answer is 1 by 4. Hope it is clear. Let's discuss some compound angles. See here, if we have sin a plus b is equals to, these are formulas which you have to remember. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and sin of a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And the next is cos. Now cos of a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next is cos a minus b is equals to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. These are sin and cos compound angles. The next is tan. Tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, these are the formulas. I have given all these formulas and problems in the description. You can check there. There are some tips to remember. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equals to sin square a minus sin square b. And similarly, cos a plus b to cos a minus b is equals to cos square a minus cos square b. Sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 plus a is equals to 1 by 4 sin 3a. And same as cos a into cos 60 minus a into cos 60 plus a is equals to 1 by 4 cos 3a. You can apply this direct formula. A can be any value. Okay. I am going to say some more formulas. Sin C plus sin D is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 to cos C minus D by 2, where C and D are some angles. And sin C minus sin D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Next, cos C plus cos D is equals to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. cos c minus cos d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. These are also some formulas which we use in solving problems. Now let's discuss periodicity of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. What is meant by periodicity? Periodicity is a property that repeating the values. For example, sin x periodicity is 2n pi. Why 2n pi? From the graph, we have discussed the graph problems in third part. See at 2n pi. If we take n value as 1 or 2 something, I am going to take 2. 2 into 2 into pi. It is 4 pi. 4 pi means 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are now at 0. After 2 pi or 2n pi angles, sine will have the same angle which has extra. I will say an example. Sine of 4 pi plus pi by 3. See here, 4 pi. 4 pi is here. After 4 pi in the first quadrant, sine is positive and the angle is pi by 3. As here pi by 2 is not there, so trigonometric ratio is not going to change. We get same as sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3, it is positive as it is in the first quadrant. Okay, let's take n value other. Let's take 1. If n value is 1, we get 2 pi. Same sin of 2 pi plus pi by 4. 2 pi means 1, 2. Again it's 0. Plus pi by 4 means in first quadrant, sign is not going to change and we get sin pi by 4. If we take odd functions, we get 3 pi plus something x. 3 pi means 1, 2, 3 plus x. That means it is in the third quadrant where we get sign as negative. So this is not the function we have taken at the first. That is the periodicity. Periodicity means after any angle, we get same and last as sin x and sin x. And the next is periodicity of cos x is 2n pi. Periodicity of tan x is n pi. Periodicity of cot x is n pi. Secant x is 2n pi. Cosecant x is 2n pi. Okay, that's it for today. In the next video, we will discuss all the problems based on these all formulas. Please like, share, subscribe Satyanews channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.